In the moment, all I can think of was I can either use the magnets or I have to call the ambulance. My name is Dominique Danza. I am a licensed massage therapist in Danbury, Connecticut. My grandfather was having a stroke, and in the moment, all I can think of was I can either use the magnets or I have to call the ambulance. I remembered in class, Dr. Garcia was actually treating one of the students that came to the class for having some type of allergic reaction. So I remembered the process and how he was asking questions to figure out what he should do for her in the moment. Initially, his symptoms were complete numbness in his right arm, and he was losing his vision, and he was just delusional, like he didn't really know what was going on, or he didn't know what he had for dinner 10 minutes prior. I put my grandfather on the table and I muscle tested to ask his body, was it actually a stroke? And it responded yes. So I asked, are there magnets that I can place for this? And it said yes. So I pulled out the guidebook and I was searching up pairs for stroke, and I think I found 4 different pairs to place that would increase circulation to the brain. After placing the 4 pairs, within 7 minutes, he got all the feeling back in his arm, and his vision was restored as well. And after the full 16 minutes, I think I left it on, he just proceeded as if nothing happened. Since then, I just have been continuing to do whatever's the priority of that day. And it seems to be something different every time, but it's kind of like we're peeling back the layers of what has been brewing. Because I've built up trust with my clients, they were just kind of open and saying, you know, Dom, if you think that this is good for me, then I'm going to do it. You know, there's certain things that I can't massage away, no matter how much lymphatic drainage I do, but this is going to get more to the root cause of why you're having the feelings to begin with, instead of chasing it and having to come back with the same issues every time. So I would say I do probably close to 35 hours a week of massage initially, and now that's been cut in half, and I'm doing half biomagnetic therapy and half massage therapy. It's been fantastic on my hands, and just a nice way to kind of switch up the flow of the day and how the day goes. My clients are thriving. I have so many success stories, I didn't really even know which one to pick and to share. I've had this one guy, he's in his 70s. He had 2 total knee replacements, and he lost over 50 pounds, which I believe is just inflammation, because he didn't change his diet or exercise routine or anything. He just has been doing magnets with me once a week for 3 months. And at the 3-month mark, he was crying. I've been treating him for 10 years. He's like not a crying guy, but he was crying, saying he feels like he has his youth back. And that was like one of the best feelings. The most rewarding feeling for me is just like watching people transform.